If you look at our home page, you'll see a couple of navigation menus at the top, and from there, you can create a profile where you'll see the link to your badge or badges proudly displayed and be able to share it. You can make new friends in the industry, join and create your own groups and private forums, and stay connected through activity, notifications, messages, member groups, and site forums. Our tutorial will include images to show you exactly how to connect. And there's even more. You can sign up to earn more digital badges or join us for upcoming exciting events where you get to meet the movers and shakers in the industry and even become a partner or provide a corporate membership or become a philanthropic donor. You can even share your latest discoveries on other social media platforms and get in touch with us if you have any questions by phone or email. We're always here to help.